What year was this in Biggin Hill, Dad?
It was, I think, 1969.
So I looked online and it said that the first Biggin Hill Air Show was in 1963. So it's still quite a new
Yeah, it is.
idea.
But that's what they used to do. A lot of advertisement, um, drawing attention of public to go there.
Why did you go to Biggin Hill Air Show?
It's a new thing, air show, their air display. It is a new thing. We're keen to watch it, and many people with family, children went there.
There's Mum.
Yes, Salima is having sandwiches, I think. All family. It was a family gathering.
Were you the only black or Asian people in the whole of the
Yeah, of
airfield?
course. Yeah, in those days, especially in those days. From the plane, these are so hilarious. Never being experienced before.
And you travelled from Finsbury Park all the way to
Yeah.
Biggin Hill.
Yeah, Biggin Hill.
Which car did you have in 1965?
I don't think I had a car at that time.
Well, how did you get
By
there?
train. We
You
went by train. It's quite nice, I think. It's only 5 minutes spool. Each spool, it runs 5 minutes.
But you said that you had two other films which were
Yeah,
Russian.
I had two other Russian films. So 3 or 4 films I had with me. And at that time, my wages was 12 or 13 pounds, 13 pounds, no, 12 pounds per week. Weekly salary was 12 pounds. So I spent nearly a week's wages to buy the films. And of those films, 2 were lost because they were Russian made. And the instruction was that send to so and so address for developing.
There you, Dad.
And I sent to those addresses for developing. They didn't return. This is I think this is what's this plane called?
It's not. I don't know what that one is.
It is, yeah, you know that. What's this famous?
It's not Concorde.
Concorde, yeah, Concorde.
See, oh, that's a Harrier jump jet, isn't
Anyway,
it?
jump jet, yeah, that's a jump jet. That's it. It's a rare chance to view planes from so close proximity.
Look how close they're flying.
I'm glad that so many there's aerobatic. There's aerobatic.
Acrobatic, yeah.
Acrobatic, yeah, acrobatic. These are Second World War planes, fighter planes.
Yeah, that's what it said on that tent, Battle of Britain.
Battle Bridge.